Bit of climate change chaos for you, love. It's just your basic normal jet stream, so stick around. Hit the button, baby. Party dance time. Stay cool. This is a Thor News presentation. Thor News presents. Good afternoon, folks. I hope you don't mind that this video on Hurricane Joaquin Phoenix is gonna be simple and easy. My baby is lost, and I must go find her. Okay. The amazing thing about this soap opera episode is apparently Category 4 Hurricane Joaquin is only 2 miles away from a Category 5 hurricane, but that is not the most impressive thing. Or strange, use whatever terminology you want to use. Watch how the hurricane, hey, it's a little seahorsey. It's like, I'm a little seahorse. Alright, so the incredible thing about Rainball Hurricane Joaquin Phoenix is that apparently it's also a rainmaker. It looks like it is spraying water on the East Coast like a fireman trying to put out a fire. I'm sorry, a fire person. I mean, look at it. It's just, that's literally like a fire extinguisher. Just like whoosh. The tail of the hurricane is just blowing all of that tropical moisture straight into South Carolina. So yes, at this point, it does look like the hurricane is moving east, but just watch it machine gun the southeast coast with rain. I've seen reports that say South and North Carolina could get up to 2 feet today, and this is after reports that it's been raining for a week. So as I've been stating, the only thing we're watching here is not only the hurricane, but all of the rain that is supposed to fall on the East Coast this week. I mean, the rain is supposed to pour at least until Monday. So I just wanted to give everybody a heads up, keep you updated. I'll keep my eyes out on the story. Alright, let's use the jet stream to get in a little trouble, shall we? Man, I miss my baby. And not only 'cause she's so soft, smooth, and beautiful. Oh, they're talking about, oh yeah, you ready for the really weird stuff? Well, sweet. I'm gonna bring it on. Okay, so the hurricane is right there. See him? So that's where the hurricane is. But what I think is so strange is this little red area here. Why would the wind be so strong right here? Because here's a hurricane, and it's clockwise. So the jet stream is pulling up here, so I'm guessing this is where the hurricane is getting pulled. It seems like when it gets here, it could get pushed back to the East Coast. But I don't know. I have no idea. I'm not a professional gynecologist, so don't take my YouTube educated guesses as gospel. We do have a dongle here. Alright, let's make some circles. We do have a whole lot of gears grinding to bring in such weird weather. I mean, we're literally talking about all-time rain records falling in South and North Carolina this weekend. Bit of climate change chaos for your love. It's just your basic normal jet stream that goes down, splits into two, goes up, then down, and then meets back down, and then splits in two, and then splits in two again, and then goes up, and goes down, and then goes up, and goes down, goes the middle as it splits in four parts, and then it all kinds of converges into two parts somewhere before Europe. Nothing to see here, dude. That is totally normal. Totally normal. Totes normal. Let's check out mean sea level pressure and get freaked out. Oh God. Yeah, that's scary looking. That is totally scary looking. Jeez Louise, look at all that mean sea level pressure there. And then what is going on over California, Nevada, Colorado, New Mexico, and Mexico? That is insane. Oh my wowzers. Baby, where are you? I need you, baby. Look at that. There's your little hurricane. Yeah, I guess it would get pulled up into here, maybe? Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's almost like a black spot right in there. There's so much rain. This is total precipitable water. Total cloud water. Yeah, this whole area right here is just getting nailed. The relative humidity. Well, all our prayers are with South and North Carolina today and people of the East Coast. That was weird. Okay, so this is water vapor. And so, like, there's no water vapor here. There's no water vapor there. It's somehow all in here getting sprayed right onto the East Coast. And look at all this over here. And I think this will continue to get pulled up through here. Man, crazy days indeed. Alright, what else you got for me? That was good. Pull up another one. I like working together. It's nice to have somebody to work with. Isn't that wind power density? What the hell is that? Whoa, look at this spot right here. Yeah, wow. Alright, let's just get totally creeped out by mean sea level pressure. And then I'm gonna go search the ends of the earth for my baby. Sound good? Sweet. Yeah, that is a scary looking mean sea level pressure situation. Look at this just up here, like, well, there's the climate change chaos they were talking about, I guess. Something's got its thumb and its index finger down on Earth. Actually, maybe more than that. Maybe it's alien, maybe it's got 12 fingers. Yeah. See, and the super scary part is always the bottom, the South Pole. Wow, but I've never seen the North Pole look that crazy. Alright. Yeah, it's a lot of activity. Yeah, it's crazy, huh? Alright, I hope we've learned something today. Everybody stay cool, stay aware. Alright, one more. Check that out. Apparently, an interstellar third grader just cut out a large portion of the sun. It doesn't look suspicious. It doesn't look suspicious at all. Holy crap. This is infrared in the Pacific. Oh, wow. What the hell is going on there, man? Huh. Life-threatening East Coast flooding. That is true, and I don't mean to be flippant about such a serious subject. It's how I deal with things, man. My baby's missing, world's falling apart. I gotta tell jokes. None of them are funny today, I guess. I did some awesome teaching. I showed you how Joaquin is a fire extinguisher. Wow, look at that. What the fudge nipples? That one is huge with a giant eye. There's one. Oh my god. So I gotta make a short, simple video, and then it's like nothing but everything. Man. Didn't I just mention I gotta go find my baby? Okay. Yeah, okay, totally normal. Totes norms. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that one is just scary. Look, crazy days indeed. Now look at this jet stream here. It's like, wee. Jetstream chunks on the Home Shopping Network. Buy some Jetstream chunks. You're gonna love them. See, yeah, there's the fire extinguisher nozzle right there. Alright. Talk to you soon. Keep saying that, but then I don't click off. I don't hit the button. There's just so much to see here. Like, wow, look at it dipping down. 90? Yeah, look how close 90 is to 40. I think my baby's somewhere around here. Alright, man. Alright. Peace out. God bless everybody. My next one will be way better.